Welcome to the lecture number 2 of Parts of Speech. In this lecture, we will learn the noun and along with its types. The first is, what is noun? Noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, or animal. In a sentence, a noun can function as a subject, direct object, indirect object, subject complement, object complement, appositive, adjective, or adverb. The few examples of noun are Johann, which is the name of a person, London, the name of a city, similarly the book and tiger, the name of an animal and a thing, respectively. There are two types of noun. First is the common noun. Second is the proper noun. Let's move toward the definition of common noun and its example. What is common noun? A common noun is a general, non-specific term for a person, place, thing, or an idea. Keep remember that general and non-specific term belongs to the common noun. The examples are street, closet, bathroom, school, and wall. All these are common things. They are not specific, so they are general and non-specific term for a person, place, thing, or an idea respectively. The second is the proper noun. What is proper noun? A noun that names a particular person, place, or a thing. The main key word in its definition is the particular. For example, September. September is a particular month in the year. Second example is John Milton, who is a particular literary figure in the English history. Third is the Bible, which is one of the particular fourth holy books, and one of them is the Bible. Thank you.